If you're trying to clear or reset certain Steam tool files, start by locating your Steam installation folder. If you're not sure where it is, press the Windows key, type Steam, then right-click the Steam app and select Open File Location. That'll take you to a shortcut. Right-click that shortcut again and choose Open File Location one more time to get to the actual folder where Steam is installed. Once you're in the Steam folder, look for a subfolder called Config. Open that. Inside, there should be another folder named STI. Go ahead and open it. Now, delete everything inside the STI folder. These files are mostly cached interface settings or tool-specific data. Getting rid of them won't remove any games or save progress. It'll just reset some UI elements or tool configurations to default. Once you've done that, restart Steam. It'll automatically recreate any needed files with fresh settings. That's all there is to it.